The Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, respected Principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. This time we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of India. That's why we are gathered here. Today I am going to speak few words about Republic Day, which is a very special day for all Indian citizens, and wish you a very happy Republic Day. India celebrates the Republic Day every year on the 26th of January from 1950 because at this day India was declared as the Republic country, as well as Constitution of India came into force after independence of long years of struggle. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947, and 2.5 years later it became a democratic republic. Republic Day in India has a great importance in the history, as it tells us all about each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighters. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public has rights to elect their representatives as political leader to lead the country in right direction. So, India is a republic country after 26th of January 1950, where public elects its leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. This is a day to remember the freedom fighters like B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more leaders who sacrificed their lives for freedom of our country. Before ending this speech, I would like to thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feelings about Republic Day, and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.